Diabetes and men. Diabetes, the silent health threat for men. Diabetes is a disease in which your body cannot produce enough insulin, cannot use insulin, or mix of both. In diabetes, sugar levels in the blood go up. This can cause complications if left uncontrolled. The potential health consequences are often serious. Diabetes raises the risk of cardiovascular disease and can cause problems with your eyes, skin, kidneys, and nervous system. Diabetes can also cause erectile dysfunction and other urological problems in men. Diabetes symptoms in men. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection. It can be a symptom of many health issues, including high blood pressure, stress, smoking, medication, and circulatory or nervous system conditions. If the blood vessels and nerves in the penis are injured by diabetes, ED can result. Blood vessel diseases slow blood flow into the penis. This is another common cause of ED among men with diabetes. Here are some home remedies for diabetes in men. Mango leaves. The delicate and tender mango leaves can be used to treat diabetes by regulating insulin levels in the blood. They can also help improve blood lipid profiles. Soak 10 to 15 tender mango leaves in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, filter the water and drink it on an empty stomach. You can also dry the leaves in the shade and grind them. Eat 1/2 teaspoon of powdered mango leaves 2 times daily. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are useful in preventing and controlling diabetes as they have anti-diabetic properties. It is believed that curry leaves contain an ingredient that reduces the rate at which starch is broken down to glucose in diabetics. You can simply chew about 10 fresh curry leaves daily in the morning. For best results, continue this treatment for 3 to 4 months. It also helps reduce high cholesterol levels and obesity. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel helps lower fasting blood glucose levels. It contains phytosterols that have possible anti-hyperglycemic effects for type 2 diabetes. The combination of aloe vera gel, bay leaves, and turmeric is helpful for controlling blood sugar. To make this herbal medicine, mix together 1/2 teaspoon each of ground bay leaves and turmeric and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Consume it twice daily before lunch and dinner. By following these home remedies, you can cure diabetes in men.